Medicube Collagen Overnight Wrapping Mask Pack Review. Real firming results? K-Beauty's latest viral sensation, Medicube's Collagen Overnight Wrapping Mask. But does it actually firm your skin while you sleep, or is it just another trend? This isn't your average sleeping mask. It's a collagen-rich gel that dries into a breathable film, locking in hydration and promising firmer, smoother skin by morning. Powered by hydrolyzed collagen, ceramide NP, and adenosine, it targets elasticity, barrier repair, and fine lines. Real users say they wake up with plumper, glassier skin. Mature skin types especially notice reduced dryness and a subtle lift. Among its pros would be its deep hydration, firming effect, gentle formula, and a unique peel-off finish. But among its cons would be the film texture isn't for everyone, and it's not a replacement for retinol or clinical treatments. So is it worth the hype? If you're chasing that overnight glow and want a collagen boost without irritation, it's a solid pick. Just don't expect miracles.